Today we're gonna make this refreshing watermelon pizza. One of my favorite summer salads is watermelon feta. I eat it so often and I love to make it when I have parties in my backyard. So today I'm gonna make a different version with the same ingredients, but we're gonna make it like a watermelon pizza. So I cut half the watermelon off the bottom part just to make it easier to get around so that we can cut 1 inch thick around our watermelon to make a nice even pizza. So we have our watermelon round here. I'm gonna move this over and I'm gonna cut it into like a pizza. We're gonna cut here in half. I'm gonna do 4 little triangles. Now I'm gonna transfer it right to our dish. Look at this, so cute. We're gonna make this now with same ingredients as our watermelon feta salad. We have arugula. So I'm gonna take our baby arugula and I'm gonna put a little bit on each. So when you take a slice, you get all the ingredients. We wanna distribute it evenly. So now we have chopped red onion. Again, a little bit all over. We have some chopped mint that I'm just gonna put a little bit down. So we have crumbled feta. Look how cute. This is great for the holidays, Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, summer barbecue, anything you like. We're gonna take the rest of our mint so that it's on top, and then balsamic reduction. We're gonna take this and drizzle that right on top. And look at this adorable pizza, watermelon pizza, ready for summer. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow, and visit my Amazon store. Enjoy.